Hello, I'm Liam Hager-Pitchak. I'm Commercial Director of buyerparcel.com, and we've been trading on eBay for the last 17 years. So when we first joined eBay, listing on eBay was quite cumbersome. Loading images was quite difficult. We knew that there were listing tools available as third party, so we approached eBay and they recommended AdLister. And we're still on AdLister today. AdLister now has given us the ability to list on other platforms, which we've now moved to. So in addition to eBay now, AdLister is also servicing our Amazon listings, our Magento listings through our website, and recently Mano also. So time saving is huge. We're listing in one place and it's squirting out to multiple platforms. Okay, so listing now being resolved, we can list in one place, squirting to multiple marketplaces. We now have to have a facility to manage stock of the 10,000 listings that we have. So after much consideration, Justification also have a tool called Inventory, which links seamlessly to AdLister and allows us to inject our stock from a third-party provider into Inventory and then out to the marketplaces, giving us live stock data. Every time there's a sale, it's dynamically adjusted. It's also enabled us to create courier labels and invoices and all order management and CRM is all built into the package. So the next stage of our development with Inventory was to look at an operational problem we had, which was creating labels dynamically. So we have co-developed with Inventory a tablet application that allows us to scan a pick note or an order confirmation on a tablet, which will bring up all customer details and allow us to produce labels for any courier that you would wish, any of the mainstream couriers. So we'll produce the label at the packing bench and it will give us real stats also on a dashboard, so we can track the number of parcels packed by each of the packers and also the number of labels produced per courier, and all of that is shown on a dashboard, which will give us real-time stats of what's happening in our warehouse. The current online channels we're using via AdLister and Inventory are eBay, our web store, Magento, Amazon and Mano. So key benefits of using Inventory, I would say everything being in one place is a huge thing. All of your orders coming into one place from all the multiple platforms. The ability to track sales from all platforms and view the actual products sold as well through all those platforms. You can get very granular, and also the ability to create courier labels all through one application. See everything. I can see everything that I need there. You know, there's no more that I require really. Everything is there. And you can see the visual on the shop floor is there. It's dynamic. You can see it straight away.